how to cancel or change your YouTube Premium membership. When you're logged into your YouTube account, press on your profile icon, press on Purchases and Memberships menu option. Then, next to your billing information, press on Deactivate. Press on Continue to Cancel. Press Next. Here, before you cancel your YouTube Premium membership, YouTube is saying, you know what, we're sorry to see you go, but what's the reason to cancel your membership? You can select any one of them, or you can even select don't want to answer. And to confirm your cancellation, all you need to do is press on Cancel Premium Membership here. And that's how you cancel your YouTube Premium membership.